क्या कर रहे हैं? ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Please, please. You want the statement?
And
Yes.
at this stage, it would be premature to say that some papers are indeed missing. The vast majority of the papers sought by the CBI have already been handed over to them. However, disregarding the actual position, some members have gone ahead and drawn their own conclusion that there is something fishy and the government is hiding something. Honorable Madam Speaker, let me assure this august House that the government has nothing to hide. The fact that more than 150,000 pages of documentation have already been handed over to the CBI clearly shows that our intention to facilitate the process of investigation cannot be called into question. Right from the days the CAG began its exercise of performance audit, the government has always provided its fullest cooperation to the CAG and later to the CBI. We will continue to do so. If the records in question are indeed found missing, the government will carry out a thorough investigation and ensure that the guilty are brought to book. Honorable Madam Speaker, the matter of allocation of coal blocks is sub judice. The apex court of the country is looking into all aspects of these allocations. Moreover, the ongoing investigation by the CBI is being closely monitored by the apex court. In its order dated 29 August 2013, the Supreme Court has directed that within 5 days the CBI shall provide a comprehensive list of documents and records which remain outstanding, and thereafter, within 2 weeks, the government will hand over the available papers to the CBI. The government shall follow these directions in letter and spirit, and shall do its very best to locate and hand over the requisite papers to the CBI within the time frames stipulated by the apex court. If the government is unable to locate some of these papers within the stipulated time, then, as directed by the Supreme Court, a report will be filed with the CBI to for appropriate inquiry and investigation. In such a situation, I urge the honourable members of this august body not to draw hasty conclusions and let the House continue with its normal business. I thank you.